that's it, we're done. Finally got everything mechanically done on the bike. It's all back together mechanically. I've just given it a wash and we have paint. This bike's been a few different colors now. I had the original color, it had a black wrap on it, then it went back to the silver. I then painted it green. I'll put a couple of photos up of that. I absolutely hated the green, so I never even put it back together with the green. And finally, we've gone back to the original white aluminium. This is the color match. Turned out really well. It's got the depth back in it that it was missing when I took that wrap off. And I'm really happy with the finish on it. So we ended up polishing up the carbon. I'm not 100% on the carbon, to be honest. I don't really like this on these bikes. So I've left it because it's very hard to find these pieces and I can't bring myself to paint over that. But the carbon that was on the top fairings was completely ruined in the end. I sanded it back, got it back to as smooth as I could, and there were actual chunks and chips taken out of the weave. So I've taken them back to the original satin finish. It matches up with the rest of the plastics on the bike. Pieces like this and the front fairing, they're all matte plastic. All the way around here is matte plastic, and then it links into those pieces. So I think that was the best I could do, was take them back, get it looking stock again. We've got to put the decals back on, throw all these panels back onto the bike, and we're ready to ride. So let's throw it all together and I'll show you what it looks like. And that's it. That's her all the way back together. Got every panel back on. BMW's back. And I think it came up really well. I'm happy with the color. It's the original, it's nice and smooth. It's probably not a BMW finish, but to me it's good. This sort of bike is used as an everydayer. It's used as a ratter in a lot of cases. So it doesn't need to be 100% perfect, but this is pretty damn close. So let's get it out, take it for a ride, go up glorious. It's a beautiful day out there. Let's see how she actually handles. So we made it up here, guys, and this is what it's all about. This is why we work on bikes like these and cars like these, to get out to places like this. This is Mount Nebo, it's the West Ridge outlook. It's the very top of Sanford, and the views are just stunning. The bike is performing absolutely sensationally. It's got so much power, it's not funny. It's smooth, you can put it into sport mode and really hit those corners, or you put it into comfort and it just bumbles along and lets you ride it how you want to. I really love these naked bikes because they've got more of an upright seating position and you're not cramped up like you are on a sports bike just trying to go. This thing you can just take your time, have some fun, and if you want to plant it, it just goes and goes and goes. It keeps accelerating and does not stop. So let's head on up here, we'll have a little look on the outlook and then head on back down. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you enjoyed the strip down and the service and rebuild on that K1200R. If you did, consider subscribing, give me a comment, and watch me next time. I'm going to move on to a new project and do it all again.